Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. So in today's video, we'll discuss about one more question from our Playwright interview series, that is how to automate date pickers in Playwright or how to handle calendars in Playwright. So this is one of the most asked questions in the Playwright interview. So let's discuss about that. Now it depends on which type of date picker you are interacting with. The most simple is to have the date picker, but also you can have the input text box. So you can just fill the date here. That is what we are doing here. So we are just filling up the date in the text box and it will work. We no need to interact with the calendar itself, right? So that is the first or the native HTML date input. Second one is the custom date picker. So let's say what we are doing here. First, we'll click on the date input. So for example, we have a date input here. You will click on the date input here. Then it will ask you to select the year itself, right? Once you select the year or the year and month, you need to select the date. So that is what we are doing here. First, we'll click on the date input, then we'll select the year and month, and then we'll select the date. This is not so common, I would say. You will mostly see the first one and the third one that we will talk about. Now, the third one is the dynamic or navigatable or the navigable calendar that we can navigate month by month. Now, to handle this kind of date pickers where we are not allowed to give the input, we have to interact with the calendar UI. So, how you can do that? So, if I give a simple example, like you will have the month name here, then you will have the date picker here, and you will have the some arrow signs here to go to the next month or the previous month, right? So you need to click on these arrow signs multiple times to go to the next or the previous month. I hope it is clear to you. And here the dates are there and here is the month and the year is there. So it depends on the which kind of UI it is, but you need to interact with the UI itself. How you can do that? Let's say here we'll wait until this October 2024 is visible. Until it is visible, we'll click on this next month button, right? So we'll move forward, or in case if you need to go to the previous month, in those cases you will go backward and we'll find it. Once we will find it, then we'll move to the next one to select the date, and we'll select the 15th of October 2024. So that's how it handle dynamic or navigable calendar. So it depends on the UI, but this is a generic way of handling it. And if you are able to place or you are able to fill the input, then you can just fill the date here. So that's how you automate date pickers in Playwright. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments and we'll see you in the next one.